good day. Let's get dressed. And I think it's some new neighbors today. Good morning, Sammy. Oh, and yesterday I did pick up some more money. Okay, let's take a shower, then get dressed, then brush our teeth. Shine bright like a diamond. And then when I get dressed, then I can check on the new neighbors. I need to make some new friends because that blue-haired one, I don't know her name, but she is kind of mean. So there we go. Okay, now let's get dressed. Yep, I really like these clothes. I think they're really cute, and I love my boots. Now let's go check out the new neighbors. Oh, I think their house is right there. Next to Sam's. Um, Hello? Who in the world are you? Oh, Kayla, I live right over there. Apparently you're new and I'm kind of like the boss here and I have to technically take care of everyone, pretty much feed everyone and more like that. Yes we are. And good for you that you're the new boss. Um, okay. She's rude. Um, hello. I'm sad. Well, my friends. Well, hi. I'm Victoria. That's my roommate. I'm really sorry about her attitude. She, she's not really nice. Yeah, I can see that. It's fine. It's another person that don't really like me. But that's fine. I'm not really popular. And once when I go back to this city, I have to go back to college because my parents really want me to go there. It, yeah, I'm really sorry. She's like that sometimes. Um, but since we're new, it's okay if you come in. We, if I want to know you better. Sure. Plus, it's raining and I need to get inside. I don't think anything needs cutting right now. Yeah, I have to get inside. Um, hmm, it's really small. I think she went in her room. Oh, hey, you are in here. Um, yeah. Should I take a seat? Oh, thanks. This is nice and comfy. So, I guess what do you like to do? Really? Me too. Back in high school, I was really good at dancing, even though some girls made fun of me.